Hi everybody, it's Janice with ABC Declutter with JK, and my oven has been steaming, sort of, for over 12 and a half hours because I had it at 10, and then when the timer went off, I set the timer to count up, so it's actually been 14 and a half hours. I attack this messy oven. So in here I have the remains of the 2 cups of ammonia, and I'm going to put on some gloves because I'm going to be working with the ammonia. So let me put these on. We're going to put a couple of squirts of Dawn dish detergent over here. I'm going to add some hot water. This is about 2 cups. I'm going to use a plastic spoon to stir everything. I'll get my other glove on. And this is just water. So this is going to be added to whatever remains of the ammonia. And now I have something to wet my rags with. So let me go ahead and get the camera up at an angle so you can see me work. I'm just getting some rags, and I'm going to remove these. Now I'm going to work over here first. And you can see it's coming off pretty easily. I'm not really having to scrub very much. Now, if you have vents, I have vents up here. Be careful not to get any liquid in there or you'll have streaks on the inside of your glass. So you may want to use water sparingly. I think that came off pretty easily. Not a whole lot of scrubbing, just kind of rinsing it. I'm gonna stick that away. Let me grab another rag. And this time I'm just gonna rinse it with some water. So now that I've rinsed it of some of the ammonia, what I found works really well is to get a magic eraser. And wet this. This is one of my favorite ways to use the magic eraser now. But again, you have to make sure that you rinse it well afterwards. But it gets everything off without too much water or too much scrubbing. I don't think I cleaned my oven for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. Kind of took a break from it. So if it's not that dirty, sometimes you can just use the magic eraser and skip the ammonia. But I knew that this was really dirty, so I needed to do the ammonia. So it's better. I'm not going for perfect, I'm going for better. So let's go ahead and get started on this really dirty oven. So I'm going to just use this rinse rag that I've been using. See how easily this black soot stuff comes up? And some people don't like using, what is this, ammonia. But because it's been sitting for so long, there really aren't very many fumes left, which is nice. And I actually think it works really well. So in the beginning, I put 2 cups of ammonia into a glass container. This container I use for cleaning. I don't use it for cooking now. And underneath it I put about 2 quarts of boiling water. And I did run the oven at 170, the lowest that I could heat it up at. That's above like a proof. If you can do 100, you do that for, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, because I did 170. I only had it going for 2 minutes. Because you want it to be warm, but you don't want it to be hot. I want to make sure that I rinse it well after I've scrubbed it, because again, I'm going to go over this with some magic erasers. That took me 20 minutes. It's about the amount of time it's taken me in the past. I have a double oven, so I tend to clean one oven one time and then I'll clean the other oven the next time. So, remove this. Definitely better. And that's it. I'm done. Bye.